Good afternoon. My name is Phil Disselcohen, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Today I'm going to demonstrate the pattern Do-san Hyung with naming techniques. Okay, we start from the parallel raise stance. B. Okay, look left, outer forearm block, reverse punch. Look over my right shoulder, turn, outer forearm block, reverse punch. Knife hand guarding block. Spear hand middle, breakaway. Look over my left shoulder, turn, spinning back fist. Back fist. Look over my left shoulder, turn. Outer forearm block, reverse punch. Look over my right shoulder, outer forearm block, reverse punch. Okay, I'll go to 45-degree angle, wedging block. From snap kick, lunge punch, reverse punch. Turn, wedging block. From snap kick, lunge punch, reverse punch. Face towards the back, high block. Step forward, high block. Look over my left shoulder, turn into a sitting stance. Horizontal knife hand strike. Step together, step out. Horizontal knife hand strike. Back to ready. Connect. Okay, now I'm going to do it from the side. Hyung. Look, outer forearm block, reverse punch. Look over my right shoulder, turn, outer forearm block, reverse punch. Knife hand guarding block. Spear hand middle, breakaway. Spinning back fist, back fist. Look over my left shoulder, turn, outer forearm block, reverse punch, turn, outer forearm block, reverse punch. Wedging block, front snap kick, lunge punch, reverse punch. Turn, wedging block, front snap kick, lunge punch, reverse punch. High block. High block. Look over my left shoulder, turn. Knife hand, horizontal knife hand strike. Put together. Horizontal knife hand strike. Back to ready. Okay. Okay, so that is the pattern Do-san.